Hi, this is Francesco with Team Shaw. Let's talk about water spills. If you have a water spill in your home that is, not of significant damage, you can always use a wet, dry shop vac or a bucket head to clean up that water. Now, you don't want to use a traditional dry vacuum for that, as you might get electrocuted in the meantime, which we don't want to happen. But what you could do is you could use a bucket head, which is actually a great solution and it's very economical. Here's how to set up a traditional bucket head. All you need for a bucket head is to buy the actual bucket head itself that comes pre-assembled with a filter and a hose. And then you can buy any generic 5-gallon bucket. You can buy this at Home Depot, Lowe's, wherever you want. So all that you do here is you have 2 tabs on your bucket head. You put the bucket head over your 5-gallon. You open up your 2 tabs and you close them on so that there is a tight seal. After you do that, all you have to do is connect your hose and turn it on, and you are ready to rock and roll. Hey guys, if you like this content and would like more tips like this, make sure to click subscribe.